Are you looking for the top 5 printers for fast and easy printing? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 printers for fast and easy printing on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. BrotherWorks Smart 1360 Wireless Color Inkjet All-in-One Printer. Best for home and home office. Get all your work done with an all-in-one multifunction printer. Print, copy, and scan on one compact printer for home use and home offices. Brother Inkjet printers produce beautiful prints for results that stand out. Easy to use with cloud app connections. Print from and scan to popular cloud apps too, including Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, and more from a simple-to-use 1.8-inch color display on your printer. Productivity-focused printing features. This printer includes automatic duplex, two-sided printing, a 20-sheet single-sided automatic document feeder, ADF, 3, and a 150-sheet paper tray, 3. Engineered to print at fast speeds of up to 16 pages per minute, ppm, in black and up to 9 ppm in color, 4. Multiple connection options. Connect your way. Interface with your printer on your wireless network or via USB. The Brother Mobile Connect app. Go mobile with the Brother Mobile Connect app 5 that delivers easy on-screen menu navigation for printing, copying, scanning, and device management from your mobile device. Monitor your ink usage with page gauge to help ensure you don't run out. 6. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET 2800. Epson strongly recommends the use of genuine ink to ensure optimal print quality and performance. Use of non-genuine ink could cause damage not covered under the printer's limited WNTY. 1. Actual savings and costs will vary considerably based on print tasks, print volumes, and usage conditions. Savings and cost per ISO page are based on the cost of replacement ink bottles and the cost of enough standard cartridges to achieve the total page yields of the bottles using the MSRP, USD, and yields for Epson standard capacity ink cartridges for similarly featured Epson consumer inkjet printers as of March 2024. 2. Individual cartridges estimate based on print yields of an included or replacement set of black and color ink bottles as compared to Epson standard capacity ink cartridges for similarly featured printers as of March 2024. 3. Part of the ink from the included bottles is used for initial setup. Yields are lower than those of replacement ink bottles. Replacement and included ink bottle yields based on the ISO/IEC 24712 pattern with Epson's methodology. Number 3. HP LaserJet MFP M140W Wireless Black and White Printer. The HP LaserJet MFP M140W Wireless Black and White Printer is a compact, efficient, and reliable solution for all your home or small office printing needs. Designed to save space without compromising performance, this all-in-one printer offers printing, scanning, and copying in one sleek device. With fast print speeds of up to 21 pages per minute, it ensures you get your documents quickly and with professional quality results. The wireless connectivity makes printing effortless. Simply connect via Wi-Fi, HP Smart App, or Apple AirPrint to print from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Its intuitive control panel makes everyday tasks simple, while the auto on-off technology helps conserve energy. Ideal for individuals or small teams, the HP LaserJet M140W provides crisp, sharp black and white prints, making it perfect for text-heavy documents, reports, and forms. A dependable, budget-friendly printer built for productivity. Number 4. HP Envy Inspire 7955E Wireless Color Inkjet Printer. From America's most trusted printer brand, the HP Envy Inspire 7955E is perfect for home printing, including documents, quality borderless photos in multiple sizes, creative projects, and more. Print speeds up to 10 ppm color, 15 ppm black. 3 months of INK included when you activate HP Plus. Subscribe to Instant Ink Delivery Service to get ink delivered directly to your door before you run out. After 3 months, monthly fee applies unless canceled. Includes HP Plus Smart Features. Activate HP Plus to get advanced features for mobile printing, security, automatic updates, and more. HP Plus only works with an HP account, internet connection, and HP Ink for the life of the printer. Key features: Print, copy, scan, automatic two-sided printing, advanced photo features, separate photo tray, auto document feeder, mobile and wireless printing. Vibrant photos. Photos that look as vibrant as they do on your screen with true-to-phone quality prints, plus custom photo features in the HP Smart app. HP 5 by 5-inch square and 4 by 12 panoramic photo paper sizes are optimized for the HP Envy Inspire series. HP app, print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone, tablet, or PC with the easiest to use print app. Easy to get all done. Easy wireless setup, customizable touchscreen shortcuts, self-healing Wi-Fi TM auto document feeder. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. The OfficeJet Pro 8125E is perfect for home offices printing professional quality colored documents like business documents, reports, presentations, and flyers. Print speeds up to 10 ppm color, 20 ppm black. Perfectly formatted prints with HPAI. Print web pages and emails with precision. No wasted pages or awkward layouts. HPAI easily removes unwanted content, so your prints are just the way you want. Upgraded features: fast color printing, scan, copy, auto two-sided printing, auto document feeder, and a 225-sheet input tray. Wireless printing. Stay connected with our most reliable dual-band Wi-Fi, which automatically detects and resolves connection issues. HP app. Print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone, PC, or tablet with the easiest to use print app. 3 months of instant INK with HP Plus activation. Subscribe to Instant Ink Delivery Service to get ink delivered directly to your door before you run out. After 3 months, monthly fee applies unless canceled. Protect your data. HP
Artlist.io